recency. These are reports concerning the engagement of your visitors over time with the portal. The active or the top user categories according to those attributes found in Active Directory and SharePoint profiles. Anonymous versus authenticated users, top browsers, operating systems and languages, visit log, in addition to the views log. This is an audit log, and a report for inactive users. This obviously is possible due to the fact that CardioLog has the information of which users can log into a specific website or subsite, and how many of these users never visited the website. Here's an example of some page views reports. Obviously, not all of them. This is the weekdays reports. Each one of the reports can be modified by you to appear in any kind of chart and color and palette and so on. This is the page views report, top pages, and some meters. Here are some reports for portal visitors, such as the number of visits, the average number of pages per visit and pages per user, the number of unique users, the list of the top users, number of visits, browsers, and so on. Two other report categories are the portal search and portal navigation. In portal search, we offer the number of internal searches failed versus successful, the failure rate, visits with internal search, the search destination pages, where did people go from search results, search origin pages, where did visitors submit the search query, the number of unique searchers, and failed search phrases. For portal navigation, we have the previous and next pages, navigation paths, navigation summary, entrance paths, landing pages, exit pages, average time to page, which I think is a very cool report showing the average time that visitors arrived at your page from the moment they arrived at the website. This is obviously again available and possible due to the fact that we collect visit information, unlike page views and unique users. Average number of pages that visitors went through until they arrived at a specific page, and these are the classic traffic source reports, such as referring sites, referring search engines, and referring keywords. These are under the navigation group, unlike the internal search phrases, which is part of the portal search. Here are some examples for our portal search reports: internal searches, the number of failed searches, failure rate, number of searches, the top search phrases, and what have been done with those search results, whether they were clicked or not, were they viewed on the first or second page, and so on. And the internal search origin pages. Here are some examples for portal navigation reports, such as landing pages and top exit pages. External destinations, these are URLs or destinations to where visitors went to when they left the portal, and traffic sources for your specific page, such as an email campaign or search results, top navigation bar, and so on. The last two categories of reports are the portal growth, which is more of an administrative set of reports, and portal goals. I've spoken about goals, and I'll speak now about the growth reports. You can have the number of content contributors for your portal over any specific level of your portal. The portal growth trend, meaning the change in the number of items within your portal, different portal actions, different content modifications done in your portal for a specific period of time, for a specific area in your portal. Who are the content editors and what are they doing? What are the unmodified documents for a specific period? Content modification audit for a specific document. Who edited the document and when? Unmodified sites and lists, and document extensions, meaning how many, what is the number of documents according to their extension. And I can see missing from here is the content size report, which I've spoken about at the beginning of our presentation, because this is a report which is provided by SharePoint too. So here are only reports which are not provided by SharePoint 2010. Here's an example of some portal growth reports, such as the number of items over time in the portal. Didn't change here. The number of content contributors and who are they, and how many contributions they had. The number of, this is an inventory report showing the number of shared of different list items, list types, and the different portal actions, how many items were modified, added, or deleted in a specific time frame. That's it for the presentation. I'll be happy to accept any questions.
Great. Thank you for the presentation, Ronen. We have a few questions, and we're a bit pressed with time, so we'll try and get as many questions as we can to you at the moment. Any questions we don't have time to get to, we'll answer via email. And of course, if you have any questions after this webinar, we'd be happy to take them, and our email is presented here. We'd be happy to answer further questions after the webinar. So, Ronen, let's begin with some questions. First question here, let's see. In different parts of the presentation, you showed some lists of different reports, and if they are included in CardioLog or SharePoint 2010, is there a complete list, and how can I receive it?
The complete list will be published in our website in the next few days, and obviously we can, you'll be able to see the complete list of reports by the beginning of next week in our website.
All right, great. Next question. We're using CardioLog 2007 to monitor SharePoint 2007. How does the update to CardioLog 2010 work? Will we be able to use the new features of CardioLog 2010? And is there an additional cost?
Yorin, would you like to speak about that?
Okay, sure.
Or
yes. So the way the update for our customers works is the update from CardioLog for CardioLog 2010 is free for all customers who have the yearly SLA. And you will be able to use the new features of CardioLog 2010 while monitoring SharePoint 2007.